Bonjour, bonjour, c'est Martin of Paris. Je suis Meijin Angelique. Hi guys, it's me here, Meijin Angelique, and I just wanted to make a quick short video in how in 90 days or less I will be quantum shifting my 3D. Basically, my inner world will be reflecting in the outer world. Okay, and this is all by resetting my nervous system, tapping into my divine feminine, my feminine soft energy, and just basically being. And I know it is truly possible. Little background about me: I am coming from the States. I am currently here in Paris in a different borough. I don't know, I think Latin Quarter. And yeah, right now I am in the biggest pivotal moment in my life where I am aware that I have to be in alignment with who my destiny is. I have fallen off the path of where I needed to be, and the whole journey has been bumpy. It hasn't been mine. Like, I haven't been in alignment with my destiny, with my purpose, to the point that it would manifest in physical pain, internal pain, reproductive pain, and just complete not good. So right now I am in the process of letting that go, actually removing generational patterns and generational things that have, it's just a pattern of women constantly not being able to live out their dreams, live out their purpose, and being this kind of victim mentality. So it's been on my algorithm, it's been on my timeline. I've been on this long spiritual journey, but at this time, it's really time to apply it and actually have it transcend into the 3D, into the physical, by starting with the inner world. And I just want to document this to everyone out there and give it a tool of being a teacher and an example that once you remove yourself from the matrix, the work matrix, the matrix of the projection of your family and what is deemed to be perceived of you, you are able to really come into your God-like consciousness, your Christ-like consciousness, your divine consciousness, your higher self, and actually have it reflecting back to you in the 3D. Right now, I have no job where I should be having a career and really just be working for myself. So right now, I've been exited out of the work matrix in a very uncomfortable way, but also with gratitude, because now it's time to get with the program and actually be in alignment with that, if that makes sense. Right now, even with regards to love life, certain SPs, and one specific SP who at the time of our encounter, I was unable to receive him, to which is kind of been like the avoidant kind of chaser dynamic and even no contact. But right now I'm just surrendering and knowing that what is meant for me is meant for me, and he too is a reflection of me and things that he needs to work on, because we have both trigger each other, and I am in complete surrender in the process, and knowing that it will work out all in divine timing, and we shall, or perhaps he is a catalyst of being more in alignment to a higher, more frequency being who has mastered that. So it's just a lot, guys. It really is. It's a lot to uncover, but look at this smile, look at this joy. Like, I have no more fear, no more illusions as to worrying as to what's gonna happen, as to how it's gonna happen. I don't focus on the how, I don't focus on the when, I focus on the what and the why. And it's an internal shift, it's a feeling, and I just want to share that with y'all. So 90 days or less quantum shifting. Here we are, first beautiful send off here in Paris, baby. I'm gonna get up and kind of show you guys. I'm here in Paris. Oh, I have like this weird setting so you can't really see. It's focused on my face, but yeah, this is a vision board. This is my ancestors' water streams, and I'm a catalyst. It's time to shift the narrative, shift my bloodline, shift everything. This is my time. This is our time. This is the collective time. Okay? High vibrational people, kind people, worthy people that are doing the right things and have always done the right things. But it's time to be able to receive your blessings, your inheritance, your everything. Because that whole dynamic or idea that people in power, people who have or evil and all this kind of like whatever, it's not true. You are worthy of having it too. You are worthy of being in the same room as others, of high achievers, of abundance, of wealth. It's exciting. All right, just a short intro and video. 90 days or less of shifting, and I'm going to document it. Au revoir.